Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can link your own email on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now for this, you're just going to need to add a clickable element onto your site. It can be a button, it can be a block of text, it can be really whatever you want. Then you just need to enter your email as the link, and then people can click on it and send emails through whichever email service they like. Now, what you need to do to actually make that link is first go into the edit page click on the edit button on the page that you want to add your email to. Then we're going to add a block. Now, as I mentioned, you can put whatever you want here. You can put an image, you can put a button, you can put text. Pretty much anything that can be clickable can be made into a link. I'm just going to use text as an example. Now, to make this a bit more apparent, I'm just going to put the background over here. And I'm going to set the color to white because why not? And I'm going to move it to, I don't know, the center of my screen, but I'm going to do it by extending the text like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add the text. You can add your email here. You can add whatever text you want. For example, send me an email. You can use that, or you can just put in your email address like that. And then you just need to select the text, click on the link button over here. Instead of URL, select email and then enter your email address. For example, mine is like that. And now, once I click save and exit, if we go ahead and click on this, it'll open up this, which will ask me to select which program I would like to use to send the email. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.